everyone, welcome back to my video. It's Chantel here, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my hair care routine and what I've been doing with my hair so far. So my last routine was about 2 years ago, so I thought it was time for me to do an update. So in this video I am using the CEL MICROSTEM shampoo and conditioner. These were sent for me to try out, but this is my honest opinion of what I think about the products. So what I have here is the MICROSTEM shampoo, there's also the conditioner, and there's also the mask. They also have the MICROSTEM stimulation formula. So it comes in a tube like this, and basically you just put it onto your scalp. So you'll just go in there and then you add it onto your scalp and then massage it in. So I've been really liking this. It's like a serum or a liquid sort of format. I'm not sure if it's an oil. I don't think it's an oil. It's more of like a liquid or serum that you apply to your scalp and then massage in. So that's what I've been doing. You're meant to use this one daily, and I've been using the other products weekly as a part of my routine. You can see the consistency of the mask. It's really light, it's not too heavy, it's not too thick, which could be really nice if you don't want your hair to be weighed down too much. I like this because when I'm blow drying my hair, which I'll show you later on in this video, when I blow dry it means that it doesn't get too sticky or too weighed down, and I'm able to get a really nice result with it. So the first steps to my routine is shampoo and condition. I like to shampoo and condition my hair in braids so that it doesn't get tangled up. I don't like it to get matted up together because if I leave it loose, it can get matted up together. When my hair was shorter, I was able to do that at the beginning of my journey. So when your hair's a TWA, it really doesn't matter so much if you have it in plaited sections. But the longer that it gets, then the more difficult it can be and the more tangles and knots that you can get. And that's something that I can suffer with quite a lot if I don't section it and leave it in plaits while I'm shampooing and conditioning. So I'll do that first. And then after I get out of the shower, then I will follow up with a hair mask. And that's where I use this product, which is really nice. I like that it actually absorbs into the hair. A lot of masks that I've used before, I put it on and then I just see it sitting on top of the hair. What I like is that I apply this and then it disappears. So that for me lets me know that it's actually penetrating and it's getting into the hair strands, which is really essential for when you want a mask to really help and repair the hair strand.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm using the MICROSTEM shampoo and conditioner as well as the mask. I already just shampooed and conditioned my hair, so I'm moving on to using the mask. I decided to wash it and then dry it afterwards so that the mask can penetrate the hair a little bit better. That's what I like to do after I'm using a mask. So I like to wash my hair in braids just to keep it from tangling up, and then I go through again with the mask and finger detangle as I'm applying the mask to my hair, because I find it much easier to do that to my hair and detangle it with my fingers. Then after I've detangled it with my fingers and got through some of the tangles or little knots that I may have, then I will start going through with a wide tooth comb and then go through any existing tangles that might still be left. So I'll start from the bottom and then work my way up to the top, and then it should be easy for me at this point because I've already done the finger detangling. And here you can see I'm stuck, so I just stop and then I work through that tangle. So this is kind of a little bit difficult, but then once I've just worked through that tangle, I'll start using the comb again. If I get something stuck, then I start working through with my fingers again. So if you get stuck with a knot, don't tear through it with the comb. Make sure you stop and then use your fingers to detangle. And then when everything is detangled, then that's when I'll just start to do a flat twist and then let that sit in my hair, and then I'll move on to the next section. So I'm working about 6 sections, and I find it's much easier to work like this. It's very easy and stress-free when I'm working in smaller sections rather than in 4 big sections or 2 big sections. I used to work in 4 sections, but I found it to be a little bit difficult to work in 4 sections, so working in 6 or even 8 sections can be really good. So as you can see, just working through with my fingers and then using the wide tooth comb to work through. If I find a knot, I stop and I use my fingers to detangle that spot, and then that's what I'll do before I go through with the comb, and then I can work my way through with the comb. So I continue that process until each section is detangled, and then when it gets detangled, then I go in and do the twist with the mask on my hair. And then now I'm just adding a plastic cap to seal everything in. And then on top of that plastic cap, I'm using this microwavable heat cap. So I've already heated this up in the microwave for 2 minutes.
So overall, I really love these products. If you want to check them out, I'll leave the link in the description. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this a huge thumbs up.